Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We were in the market for some tactical safety glasses for my son. He's a 14-year-old boy through and through, so whether he's practicing shooting with his dad, building a snowman, or hiking with the family, these safety glasses are on hand. And you're not just getting a pair of regular tactical glasses with these. They have so many features that make them better than other goggles we've tried. My son loves that they don't fog up on him when he's doing various activities, and that they're comfortable enough to wear for long periods of time. And I love that his eyes are fully protected. They come with 3 different kinds of lenses, and because of their bendable frames, you can easily change them out without any tools. There's actually a video and easy to read instructions on how to do this. They also come with a protective cloth sleeve to prevent scratches on the lenses, and it doubles as a strap in the back for a little extra comfort. So if you're looking for a pair of tactical safety glasses to keep up with you and all your outdoor activities, then I think you should try these goggles. And that's my point of view.